In this video, let me show you how to use the Indeed mobile app. If you're trying to apply or search for jobs and you're trying to do it from the mobile app of Indeed, make sure you download it first of all. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device. You can just search for Indeed and you're going to see this app right here. You can just download it and make sure that it is installed. Once the app has been installed, if you don't yet already have an account, you can easily create one using your email or just your Google account. If you already do have an account, make sure you log in. Now, the way that you use the mobile app of Indeed is once the app has been now logged in, you can tap on this search bar and search for your job title, and you can see a list of jobs that are currently available. If you search for any of your job role, you can also select the city or the postal code so that you can narrow it down. You're going to have other filters as well, such as pay, the nature of the job, and different job categories as well. So you can take a look at all of these filters that you can add in so that you're going to get better results. You can also head over to your profile so that you can complete your profile. If you have not added in your CV, you can tap on upload CV and add in, or you can also build one right inside of Indeed. Besides the CV, you can also add in your qualifications and your skills and experiences to improve your profile inside of Indeed. So that was a quick video on the way that you use the Indeed mobile app. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.